So it's time to evolve, and that's what Samsung will do with their next flagship phones for the year 2019. We already know that the Korean giant is working to achieve highest screen to body ratio on a smartphone without implementing the notch. That doesn't mean we will have 100% screen to body ratio, but it will look far better than this guy here. According to the well-informed Twitter user Ice Universe, the Galaxy Note 10 will have a 6.66 inch of display, which is slightly bigger than the 6.4 inch of screen on the Note 9. However, a bigger screen size doesn't necessarily mean that the Note 10 will have a bigger footprint than the Note 9. Instead, Samsung is expected to increase the height of the screen while reducing bezel size. The resulting screen would have a 19:9 or 19:5:9 aspect ratio, up from 18:5:9. Now, one of the best way for Samsung to reduce the bezels on its Galaxy S and Note models that have infinity display designs would be to mimic Apple's iPhone X screen design partially. We will definitely not have a notch on a Samsung device, but the company may remove the bottom bezels on the Note 10 while simultaneously reducing top bezel. This way actually requires the removal of the headphone jack, which again confirms the previous reports by T3.com. All in all, the Galaxy Note lineup getting such a notable jump in screen size next year would be quite logical, as we have started getting smartphones with huge displays and the Note family is known for their screen size. Also, Ice Universe believes that the sales of S9 and Note 9 cost losses comparable to Note 7. So this should be a trigger for Samsung to work upon their strategies for the S10. XDA developer says that the Pi beta for Samsung devices will launch by the end of this month. Google released Android 9.0 Pie in early August, with only Pixel phones being eligible for the upgrade. Various other smartphone makers offered Pi betas at the same time, and some of them will make Android 9.0 available to their customers soon, but Samsung is arriving now. Additionally, the bad news is that the beta only work for Samsung's first flagship of the year. That means only S9 and S9 Plus owners will be able to try it once Samsung makes it available. Also, not all S9 phones will be able to run this program initially. Only the US buyers who own unlocked Galaxy S9, a T-Mobile S9 or the Sprint version of the handset will be able to run it. The interesting part is that Ice Universe posted a GIF animation on Twitter teasing Android Pie beta for the Galaxy Note 9. The final Pie release for the Galaxy S9 should be around January 2019. You'll also be getting the new Samsung Experience 10 user interface that leaked a few days ago. So that said, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.